Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the improvements that we made regarding the drag and drop workflow. Basically, now when the user is drag and dropping some asset into Adobe Assistant, they are now prompted to select which format they want to use in order to import, either high resolution or proxy. And if the user wants to use that same format for the next imports to come, he only needs to select this checkbox, and basically whatever format he chooses is the one that's going to be used for the next imports using the drag and drop. Um, After the user importing with a specific format, if he wants to be either select other format and not being prompt, he can come to the settings and he can choose whatever format he wants to use. And if he wants to be prompt again, he just needs to select this option. And basically, he's going to be prompt the next time that he uses the drag and drop with the format pre-selected.